Water can break the strongest stone. This is a folk saying which is frequently repeated along the banks of the Austrian Danube. For centuries, cities and municipalities there have been devastated at regular intervals by flooding catastrophes. The Danube has repeatedly brought calamity, destruction, and suffering to the nearby residents. Yet these times are past. The Danube has been tamed. Even in periods of record precipitation, Grein remains protected thanks to the mobile flood protection systems by IBS.
Die IBS erwirtschaftet über 50% des Unternehmensumsatzes durch den Verkauf von Hochwasserschutzwänden. Das heißt, wir sind jeden Tag intensiv mit dieser Technik beschäftigt. Ja, wir leben Hochwasserschutz permanent. Die mobilen Hochwasserschutzsysteme der IBS sind Hochwasserschutztüren, Tore, Klappen und Platten, Hochwasserschutzbarrieren und Hochwasserschutzwände aus Dammbalkensystemen.
The flood protection wall in Grein is one of 14 such systems along the Austrian Danube that IBS supplied within a time period of 5 years. 14 systems, with a total length of 11,000 meters and a total wall area of 25,000 square meters. All of these were able to withstand historic flooding events. Over 20 years of experience, more than 4,000 completed flood protection projects. IBS knows what is important when erecting such a flood protection wall. Planning is of the utmost importance, and this is precisely IBS's main strength.
Es handelt sich um ein hochgradig technisches Produkt. Und so sind in unserem Vertrieb unsere Kunden beraten und mit ihnen in Kontakt sind hochqualifizierte Techniker und Ingenieure eingesetzt. Sie werden unterstützt von Konstrukteuren und von Statikern. So wird eine kompetente Beratung sichergestellt. Vertrieb, statische Berechnung, Entwurf, Konstruktion und Planung werden also vollständig in unserem Haus abgebildet.
In the field of mobile flood protection, precision means more than the accurate planning and calculations of the individual project items. For IBS, precision means the production of components accurate to tenths of a millimeter. These components are all manufactured internally in our workshops.
Aber auch die Herstellung unserer Bauteile wird durch erfahrene Fachkräfte in der IBS durchgeführt. Beginnend mit der Arbeitsvorbereitung für das Schweißen und Zerspanen bis hin zur Qualitätssicherung erfolgt durch bestens ausgebildete und erfahrene Fachkräfte.
For IBS, precision means adhering to tight specifications and deadlines, realizing path-breaking concepts, and ensuring smooth-running processes, from design to final assembly. Whether it's the accurate processing and machining of our center posts, or when cutting our internally designed dam beams to size, accurate to the millimeter, our certified specialist employees don't just fulfill the quality standards during their daily work, they set them. Every day and for each individual project. This is quality work at its finest. And this quality is upheld during the deburring of the cut dam beams, the placement of seals, or the adhering of floor seals. You can be sure at IBS everything is self-produced and manufactured.
Kaum ein Unternehmen verfügt zu diesem Nischenprodukt über eine vergleichbare Durchdringung und Aufstellung. Dies macht uns zum unumstrittenen Marktführer in dieser Technik.
IBS sells its quality products across the world. The final quality checks mean the beginning of a long journey for our flood protection systems, whether it be to Thailand, to Great Britain, to Hungary, to the United States, or to Austria. Mobile flood protection is also precision work at the construction site. Our installation teams ensure that work on the construction site runs smoothly, thus guaranteeing the maximum quality standard with minimum tolerances. A flood protection wall consists of more than just a few center posts and dam beams. It is a highly complex formation composed of many individual components. Precise, identically manufactured individual parts, which as a whole must be able to withstand immense water pressures for the flood protection wall to remain standing where it is needed most. After all, in case of a catastrophe, every minute counts. And this is precisely why IBS has developed over the past 20 years to become the world market leader in the field of mobile flood protection. IBS's systems have more than proven their worth. Due to the storage system specifically developed by the company, the components arrive quickly where they are needed. Every center post can be quickly deployed as planned without prolonged searching, so that each process remains closely interlinked with the next. The precise planning, in-house static calculations, and the accurate production of the individual components, together with our own on-site installation teams. This combination of experience, knowledge, and high-quality product pays off when everything fits well together when needed, and that is in case of emergency. You can rely on our system when a flood catastrophe is imminent, so that your city, town, or village too remains unaffected by the next flooding disaster. IBS. We have the solution.